কে বলে সিন করলাম রে কি আপনি আর কি নাহ, কি ভাবেন যে আপনারা আমারে আহেন এখন আর না কেন
আসতে তো দাও লিঙ্ক।
Recording in progress. Hi,
hi how are you
I am good. How are you? Are you hearing me?
yeah I'm fine
Oh, what's up with this? Okay. I'm not hearing you so well. 1 second.
আপনাকে ডিসকর্ড থেকে লিভ নেন তো are you hearing now clearly
Hello?
yeah
Yes. Okay, great.
okay perfect okay we study about that let's finish one by one for example what that is about the designing one I'm able to do that and thank you too much for giving your site login address I get a lot of information from there but here wait oh not this one wait this one oh already I'm here so if I go to the my account and here is option for cost calculator and p alert then my packages all of the
Right.
thing you need there right the exactly same
Well,
way
not necessarily because the pre-alert, the section that said pre-alert and my orders, I think the WP cargo has that functionality now. So it might look different from it does on this side. So that the new
okay
site you'd be doing, I think that version of WP cargo has those features or something similar.
okay this one I mean the pre-alert this is not from the WP cargo it has a plugin and that is
Right,
called
right. I did
yeah,
that like a
yeah.
long time ago, but that's what I mean. I mean, the WP cargo might have something like that. If you look on the new site, not this one, the one for
Okay.
Velocity, I think
Yeah,
they
they don't
have
have right now. They have installed the cargo, but not these the alert plugin. No
right,
problem.
right. So the same feature, but not necessarily the same way, if you understand what I mean.
Yeah, and same feature means here, like there is a cost calculator. This is also need, right?
Yeah, that's a would be good. That's not a must, but that's a would be
Okay.
nice. So if you want to
Okay.
charge for that separately, I'll tell him.
Okay. Then my order. Okay. Then others rest of the thing I'm able to do.
Yeah, because
And
all of
about
those
the
are, I think
Mhm.
all of that is because of Ultimate Member, I think.
Yep. Yep. Okay. And the design. Yeah. This is the reference. Okay. Okay. No
Right,
problem.
just for some of the information, not some, you can be creative with the design, but like
Yeah. Yeah.
information in terms of the
Yeah.
FAQ
That's
and
just
the
for reference. Thing special.
pretty
Yeah.
standard, so we can use it.
Okay, but here there is on much content here, like for the about us only, nothing is special.
Um,
You,
yeah,
uh,
we can fill that out. We can probably use AI to fill out something. I'll ask him for those details. I told him I need it,
okay,
like the text, but I think we can put placeholder in the meantime.
okay, okay. So now I can get started with some stock images and some dummy content. So later you or your colleague will send me.
Stock images are fine. At best, at best, whichever. We'll ask you if you're using a picture of a delivery person, you could put the Velocity logo on their shirt. You know.
Okay, okay.
Stock is fine.
On the hero section,
Mm-hmm.
eye-catching banner showcasing air and ocean by
Yeah.
services.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that just like image slider or something, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, and the quick link ability to request to quit button for the website and notification comes primary. This is
Yeah. I
I
think.
don't understand.
Let me see. Oh, that would be the cost
Cal-
calculation. Well, you could do it as a cost calculator, or it's just a message where you can
Mm,
ask, like put a link from an Amazon item, how much would this cost me to bring to Jamaica? So the admin
Okay,
email would get that notification and they'd be responsible for answering them.
okay. So it will be like a normal contact form.
That's yeah.
Okay,
But we can do a costing calculator and that would eliminate that.
okay, no problem. I can also do.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and others of the thing I understand. Okay,
What I
and
could do is I could send you the link for I don't know if it's useful, but there's a link for the Jamaica Customs tariffs that can help with the calculator, I think. Just in, the duty charges. If that's useful. If that complicates it, then forget it.
okay, all right, no problem.
I think some sites use it. Like there's one popular one here called Mailpack. I
Mhm.
know they use it.
Yeah.
So mhm,
Okay, so okay, then let's talk about the next project. Uh,
mhm.
okay, okay, this is Sean. This is my one of team member.
Hi, Sean.
Hi.
Okay, so he will right now talk about the next project. Sean, get on,
Mm-hmm,
please.
Okay. I am sharing my screen.
mm-hmm,
Okay. So I had some questions about the docs you shared with us.
mm-hmm,
Okay. So I can send you this doc. All the green ones are doable right now.
mm-hmm,
I have
mm-hmm.
questions about the yellow ones, and red ones are not
Possible.
cannot be done on WordPress. Okay,
Okay.
so you see one here, option to purchase custom domain, and this
Mm-hmm,
is a service that only the domain service providers can do. We cannot provide domain services from the WordPress dashboard. So
mm-hmm,
this
Okay,
one,
here I want to say something. So basically, it's not possible via WordPress, but if very necessary, you can talk to the provider.
mm-hmm.
Probably they provide some API or something, and if they provide something, then we could integrate into WordPress.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
okay,
And if also they have a domain and they just want to redirect it, we could do that for them if they don't know how to, right?
Say again,
I-
please.
they can, but it will not work under your website. It will be forwarded to another website, and the functions will work there, not under this website.
No, what I mean is suppose they just happen to have a Kelly Campen Kelly Candle Company.com and they had that, but their website is on one of this subdomain here. Couldn't they just redirect it
Okay,
to us if they want to?
subdomain is possible.
Yeah.
Subdomain is possible, but totally new domain, it's not possible. So see, because
When I
that will
say
be totally.
redirect, I mean like forward then. So if they have a business card, that wouldn't be on our end. That would just be a service we'd offer if they don't know how to do it. Suppose they bought a domain, they have a domain with GoDaddy, not using, not hosted, just the domain name. And then they got a website as a vendor on my website and they just wanted to point it there. You know what I mean? You understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Yes,
Right. So that would be a paid service if they want us to help them with the redirection, assuming they don't know how to do it. But not that it's a service I would offer them as a part of WordPress.
okay. So
Okay.
what is the problem with this option is when they want to redirect to your website,
Mm-hmm.
uh, they can do that from their dashboard, from where they purchased
Mm-hmm.
their domain. So it's not
Yeah,
related
it's not a
to
feature
this
here.
site
What
at
I
all.
want isn't available currently with WordPress. Understand?
Okay, yeah. Okay, so when you mean wholesale accessible via business login, what do you mean by this line?
If you look at, I think I have another doc that would be better if I share it with you. But if you look at the website fair, I think you aren't able to get in touch with the vendor or see certain prices unless you create an account and log in. So that's really what I want. For the retail person who's shopping, they can just
Okay,
come
it
on,
will
see
be
all the products, but you have
so
to
it
create an
will be
account
just
and
a
log in.
yeah. So just it will be just a normal section in the home page. I mean it will the price will be appear only for the business for say wholesale user, but others they could see the product but they will be not able to see the price, right?
Regular retail prices, just not
Yeah.
wholesale. If you want wholesale information, you have to create an account and log in.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay, this is
But
workable.
it's
So we
workable. Is it
Yeah, this
workable
person.
with just creating one product for the vendor, as in it's not an additional step for the vendor?
okay, what we need to do here is we need to create a user role named wholesale, and then we can assign that user role to a separate section where the wholesale prices will be shown.
So, so that means essentially the vendor wouldn't have to add the product twice then. It's not like they're operating two different product sections.
Okay, I need to check further on this. Can I get back to you with this option later?
Sure, no problem.
Okay.
Okay, 1 second, please. So here, below the price, like normal shops have product title and price, and do you need something there below the price? There will be another option that should be the price, but it will be called um, um,
Oh,
to see
wholesale
the
price.
wholesale price or something. And if the user login, they could see the both price, the retail and the wholesale, and they will
Okay.
get the discount. Something like unit.
I think so. I think I understand what you're saying.
Okay. Okay, but this is
So
possible
the
via custom code, no problem. Yeah.
okay. So it would be
Okay, so
how
in
does
this,
Amazon do it now with the business account? If I were to sign up for a business account to get business discounts,
Okay,
is it that they have
actually,
separate vendors for that? Do you know?
yeah, actually, we can't compare with them. Actually, they are totally custom made website, but we are using CMS.
No, it was just a question. I'm just asking if you know how
Yeah,
it's done.
yeah,
If
I
it's
don't
that
know.
it's okay. All right.
okay,
Yeah.
I think Amazon uses a different user role for their wholesale customers altogether.
Okay.
These are different from regular customers.
Okay. But the vendors are different as well?
No. Vendors
Same
are not
vendors.
different. Yes,
So
but
that right. I
but
think that's what I have in mind, where it's the same vendor. But yeah, I think what you were
yeah,
saying makes sense, where the price just isn't shown until they're
yeah, I understand what you are talking about. I think,
mhm.
but WordPress has some limits with the CMS, and
Yes.
I will check further if there is a workaround here, but I can get back to you
No problem.
with this. Okay, so
You want us to do this document in Google Docs or something? So when you edit it, I have it.
Yeah, no
okay,
problem.
sure.
Just
I'll
send it.
provide. No problem.
Okay,
All
sure.
right.
So
Because I have another
we are,
one that I'll share with you as well. Okay.
yeah, I'm just asking the questions here for clarifications, and we can collaborate
No
on
problem.
Google Docs, no problem. Okay, so here you said vendors set wholesome terms. What terms are you talking about? Like, if I can get a clear idea of what actually will be under these terms, I can get a clear picture.
All right, let me log into that other site I was telling you about to show you. But terms could be different